Looking to level up your SwiftUI skills?
This premium wallet interface is packed with stunning design techniques and real-world components that you'll actually want to reuse in your apps. What's inside this project? Glass morphism, sleek modern UI elements with blur and depth, gradient mesh backgrounds, complex SwiftUI gradients for an elegant feel, card carousel, a custom-styled horizontal card swiper with shadows and depth, bottom tab navigation, smooth navigation with a stylish bottom bar, advanced typography, scaled fonts and layout for a true premium experience, responsive layout, clean and beautiful on all screen sizes. Where can you use this? Perfect for fintech and banking apps, portfolio design inspiration, any app that needs a luxury premium aesthetic. Learn by doing with full code comments. Every component is broken down with inline explanations, so you don't just copy code, you understand it. Perfect for intermediate to advanced SwiftUI developers who want to push their UI design skills further. Let's build beautifully with SwiftUI. Support to access this and many other beautiful SwiftUI builds, SwiftUICodes on Patreon.